everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Dayforce. Let's dive in. Let's be honest, managing HR and payroll can feel like a full-time job on top of your actual full-time job. That's where Dayforce comes in. Dayforce, formerly known as Ceridian, is a modern human capital management platform, or HCM, built to manage your entire workforce from hire to retire. It brings together payroll, benefits, time tracking, and talent management into one real-time, cloud-based system. No more juggling tools or waiting for overnight updates. Here's a quick overview of what you can do with Dayforce. Employees can clock in and out, view schedules, check pay stubs, and request time off, all in one place. Managers and HR teams get real-time analytics, customizable dashboards, and automation tools to streamline operations. The People Experience Hub connects employees with company updates, documents, and forms, all tailored to their role or location. It's mobile optimized too, so you can manage work on the go. There's even Dayforce Copilot, an AI assistant that helps employees and HR teams navigate the system faster. Dayforce is trusted globally, with payroll support in over 200 regions. It's consistently ranked by analysts like Gartner as a top HCM platform. From recruitment to workforce analytics, it helps businesses attract top talent, make smarter decisions, and empower their people. Whether you have 100 or 10,000 employees, Dayforce scales with your business and supports your industry-specific needs. To learn more, visit dayforce.com and request a free demo. If you're serious about streamlining HR and growing your business, Dayforce might be exactly what you need. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.